Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's AXS update for Thursday 12th of May. And it seems like AXS is not really it's not making very bad move. Even though the market is really bad, I'm not saying AXS itself is good in any way, but it actually really, it has a controlled dump to the downside. Okay, so the technical target we talked about in the previous video has already been met, and it is down now at the $16, 16 or $17. It has a little bit of a move to the upside, but if I'm going to tell you what's going on right now. Okay, so let me just remove that technical target. We've already met it. So this is going to be a flag, okay, or a rectangle, bearish rectangle that I talked about in the previous videos, and I gave you the technical target to come down here. But this is going to be a big resistance moving forward. So if you actually try to go up a little bit and touch that resistance, you can actually continue to go to the downside, okay? You really have to cross this resistance and go to $39 and backtest the 33, hold the 33 to continue to the upside, and this could be your bottom, okay? Now, considering Bitcoin went to $24,000 already, so it could be time that the market does take a break, and you do have the swing low right over here. So this is a demand zone, okay? Uh, you're almost coming down to the previous swing low right over there, somewhere here. So it could actually be that you bottom out from here and go to the upside. It's a possibility, okay? But anyway, let's see what happens today or tomorrow. I do think it's going to take a break here. I don't think it's interested to go any way further down. But if you do go down, this is going to be your next technical target right over here. And this swing high to the $9, okay? That's where it's going to dump to the downside. If you do lose this level, which is going to be $14. And that's it for today's update. If you want to join Discord, join the Discord. The link is in the description of the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.